Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds j and z. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the j sound in the word Joan, Joan, Joan. Now the z sound in the word zone, zone, zone. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Is Joan in the zone? Is Joan in the zone? Is Joan in the zone? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.